Guys, it is me, Purple and Pink. My name is Purple and Pink because I did purple and pink when I was bored. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Sorry. So badly. And here is my little sister. Hey, I'm not little. Big sister. See? Here's my little sister, which we can move her head. See? Look, I'm not joking. Of course, all LOLs can move their head. Some doesn't. There's my annoying little brother in a pool. Hey, I'm not annoying. To me. Ugh. Don't listen to her. Oh, pink and purple. Hey, my name's not Pink and Purple. Well, it's still the same names. I don't know why you pushed me, but that's okay. I'm probably gonna go fishing, fishing. Okay, so I'm gonna probably go to my dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, sweetheart. I'm just gonna tell you that today, it's been a lovely day. I'm glad to hear that, but play with your, little sisters or something. Play with Watermelon, which I don't know where Watermelon is. He's probably still in bed. No, she's not still in bed. How do you know? She's on the table. Oh, hi, Stacy. Hi, Stacy. I mean, Skipper. Are you Stacy? Skipper? You can call me whatever you want. I don't mind. Wow, it is getting dark. Guys, it is about to rain today. So let's go back inside. Okay, fine. When everybody was inside. I'm not feeling honest. Yeah, whoop whoop. Hey, what's that for? No reason. Hey, stop doing that. Okay. Hey, stop it. It's okay, doggy. Hey, fans. I'm kinda in my shirt, cause see, you can see a little bit of my shirt and stuff. But I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna do a little bit of that. You can see a part of my body. I'm part of my body a little bit. Only a little. Okay, now. Hey, brother. What? I can do whatever I want, right? Well, stop saying that. Hey guys, I'm just gonna be in the bathroom, okay? Because I'm gonna get ready. Okay, sweetheart. I knew you were gonna say that. This is a little thorn under her legs. This looks like a lot of fun. I'm scared of up there, so I'm gonna stay with my mommy. Your mommy. Oh, the babies are so cute. Yeah, I was just talking about the weird girl in our car. Yeah, that's like so weird. Why are you guys? I mean, I'll say it. Why are you guys saying that stuff? You shouldn't say that stuff right now. You shouldn't worry about it. But still, I'm just nervous. No, I'm nervouser. Oh yeah? Well, I love puppies, sir. Oh, brother. I love cats and dogs and all the animals, even in the forest. Oh, brother. Meow. 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 Why are you always so scared? Brother, I'm just gonna go in the pool. Splash! Everywhere, splashing! Yeah! Stop doing that. Well, you stop doing that. Doing what? Doing the floss. Do. In the water we go. In the water we go. And by the way, guys, they're not in real water. They can't breathe. I couldn't breathe in there. I guess why not? Now, confession. Ow! No, brothers. This is so much fun. Under the leg is fun. It looks like we're under mommy. You are under mommy. Dad? You're under mommy. Poo. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, what's your name again? His name. You forget all our babies' names. Yeah, right. Oh, his name is Tristan. No, his name is I don't know his name either. His name is why is everybody forgetting the baby's names? His name is Nolan. Oh, right. Hi, Nolan. Hi, Dada. Everybody forgot my name. It's getting funny. Oh, I guess it is kind of fun. Yeah. That was the best time ever. Yeah, it really was. Like, why doesn't anybody want to go fishing? Like, fishing is the lifetime. Yeah, fishing is the lifetime. Yeah. Not to the girls. Hey, I'm back here. I can hear you guys. I think football is the best. Oh, brother. Yeah, I think taking care of animals is the best because you get to help little tiny baby pets in our family. Like, they're so cute. You think every animal is cute. That's because they are. What about baby little puppies and baby guinea pigs and baby cats and baby everything? Baby bunnies, baby birds. Like they're just so cute. You worry too much. Well, I grow up, I'm going to be a doctor. Well, you're gonna get sick. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna be a cop because cops are always blue. And my hair is blue. It's the same color of their outfits. So I'm definitely going to be an officer. Okay. Who who wants to know? Me. Everybody wants to know. Yeah, some people wants to know what people wants to grow up as. I'm gonna grow up as a teacher. I'm gonna grow up as a person that sells watermelon. I'm gonna be a ninja. A ninja? Well, I'm already. Why am I saying that? I'm gonna be a doctor. Okay. I'm gonna be after when everybody said what they wanted to be for when they grow up. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe, please, to be in our Barbie family.